How to grow on YouTube. ChatGPT. Growing on YouTube requires a combination of strategic planning, quality content creation, and effective promotion. Here are some steps to help you grow your YouTube channel. Define your niche. Choose a specific topic or theme for your channel that aligns with your interests, expertise, and what you believe your target audience will enjoy. Focusing on a niche can help you attract a dedicated audience. Plan your content. Develop a content strategy by creating a schedule and brainstorming ideas for your videos. Consistency is key, so aim to upload content regularly, whether it's weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. Create high-quality videos. Invest in good equipment, such as a decent camera, microphone, and video editing software to improve the overall quality of your videos. Ensure your content is engaging, well-scripted, visually appealing, and has good audio quality. Optimize your videos for search. Research relevant keywords using tools like Google Trends or YouTube's search suggestions. Include these keywords in your video titles, descriptions, tags, and closed captions. This will help your videos appear in search results and increase their discoverability. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments, answer questions, and engage with your viewers. Building a community and fostering interaction with your audience can help create loyal subscribers who are more likely to share your content. Collaborate with others. Collaborating with other YouTubers or influencers in your niche can expose your channel to a new audience. Look for opportunities to collaborate on videos, interviews, or guest appearances. Promote your videos. Share your videos on other social media platforms such as Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, or Reddit to increase their visibility. Utilize your existing network and encourage friends, family, and fans to share your videos as well. Optimize your channel. Customize your YouTube channel layout, banner, and profile picture to create a visually appealing and professional appearance. Use channel trailers to showcase your best content and attract new subscribers. Utilize YouTube Analytics. Take advantage of YouTube's analytics to gain insights into your viewers' behavior, demographics, and preferences. Use this data to refine your content strategy and understand which videos perform best. Stay consistent and patient. Building a successful YouTube channel takes time and effort. Be patient, consistent, and continuously improve your content. With dedication and persistence, you can gradually grow your subscriber base and increase your channel's visibility. Remember, it's essential to create content that you are passionate about and that resonates with your audience. Enjoy the process and focus on providing value to your viewers, and growth will follow naturally.